Very nice restaurant, bar. Okay, now we are entering the Chinatown gate, I believe. Yeah. Hello. Is this Chinatown? Right here?
All the way to Chinatown.
Okay, thank you so much. Big horse here. Okay. Oh, nice. Wow, very nice here. Very nice stop. Oh, Tunkgar. Wow. Very fancy tables here. Oh my god. Beautiful. Wow, this is the nice table. This is very expensive rock. Chinatown, yeah, very nice here. This area is very beautiful. Shopping, beautiful stores, nice store. Crocodile, wow.
Okay, no worries, don't text or anything. Hello, sir, welcome.
Hello, thank you so much.
Any video of me is $10.
Yeah, this Chinatown looks like the Singapore Chinatown. Exactly looks like Singapore Chinatown. The hills over here, you see. That way the hills down, it's going up. Very hill here, big mountain. Wow. Yeah, they drive on the track. 코스무라 그래도 캘리포니아 라 별로 나와. 오, 하우팅. 와우, 하이나.你在哪里学的这个？中华。 I'm looking for the lens cover. You have a lens cover for that? Yeah. You have yet? Perfect. Nice store. Chinatown. So first I'm going to have some food before go to somewhere. Now it's almost 12 o'clock. Feel a little bit hungry as well. Yeah, I'm taking this one, chow mein. Very nice food here. Luncheon. I order here chow mein and noodle soup here. Super yummy. All right, this dumpling, vegetable.
We have puti think so.
Yeah, I like your food. It's very nice.
I think so.
Good price, good food.
Yes.
And you have a lot of space upstairs.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm gonna put the
see
address.
you.
All right. Take care.
Ah, you're so sweet.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Bye bye. Good taste. Bathroom is available. Very nice.
Okay. Yeah, thank you.
All right, guys, stay tuned. Now we are going to the Coit Tower after the lunch. Coit Tower. Ooh, yeah, very nice. Wow, very nice tower. I don't know what's the name of that building. Fantastic. Very nice. What's the name of that tower? Do you know, man? What's the name? Okay, okay. Okay, thank you so much. Yeah, now I'm heading to the Coit Tower. So there's a big hills, you see. A lot of long stairs. Mount Everest mountain. Yeah, very nice view from here. Yeah, now we reach to the Coit Tower. All the way on the top of this mountain. Now I can view from here. Oh, that long bridge, I don't know what it's called. Maybe that is called Bay Bridge. Bay Bridge, I think. And the Golden Gate Bridge is the other side, on the left side. Wow, amazing. I can't believe this one. Oh my goodness. Very nice view. Very nice view. I believe that's where we coming from. Yes, Sarito, that way. Richmond, I think, the cross those body of sea. Quite yeah. Beautiful, beautiful. Golden Gate Bridge is that way. Golden Gate Bridge.
That's why this game. Okay, I gotta try it. He's thinking like.
Try to go inside, but there's a lot of tourists. So I'm gonna skip that because I have to go to the another place, which is Fishman. So we're gonna go there right now. So anyway, I can view here some of the city, Golden Gate Bridge and Bay Ridge Bridge. Many of city we can view from here. However, so we're gonna go there. Let's go now. Okay, we are right here now, Coit Tower. So now we're gonna going to right here, Fishman. And we can view the Golden Gate from there. All right, let's go. Nice stair, yeah, nice stair. Nice stair. But there's water. Wow, yeah, very nice.